I started using Ionic Water last November 14. Sa umpisa po, parang mahirap yung scheduling ng intake of water lalo na po after breakfast at lunch. Pero sa 7 days pong experience ko, napakaganda po ng outcome sa akin. I have myoma po, 8 cm, and was advised to have a surgery. Pero sa takot ko po na maoperahan, kaya nagtry po ako ng Ionic. Sana po, through this, ay di na po ako maoperahan, Doc. Ginagawa ko po yung special diet na binigay sa akin ni Miss Angel ng Ionic Cubao. Hope to see you next month po, Water Doc.
Okay, thank you very much, Ma'am Hazel, for your trust and confidence sa amin. Although it will take a longer period para ma-resolve itong myoma niyo, unlike surgery, instantly mawawala po 'yan. However, meron naman talagang paraan po diyan na ma-resolve. So, I hope na you would cope with yung diet, kasi medyo mahirap po talaga kasi vegan po yan. And then go on with the intake of your specifically yung Ionic at 100 drops a day at saka yung selenium at 60 drops a day. And then ewan ko lang kung binigyan kayo ng virgin coconut oil kasi bawal kayong kumain ng karne, so hindi kayo magkakaroon ng ganong fats. So yung extra virgin, organic virgin coconut oil ang magiging source ng inyong fats. And with that, I will see you when I get to Cubao.